Scientists at West Virginia University are going where most people wouldn't go in their wildest dreams, down in the sewer. The project is testing wastewater samples to see if there's any presence of COVID-19. Joining me now live over Zoom is the project lead, Tim Driscoll, and co-investigator Gordon Smith. Thank you both for joining us tonight.
Thank you. Good to be here.
Why would you suspect there's any COVID down in the sewer?
There's actually a number of infectious disease agents that you can pick up in sanitary or sewer lines, as well as certain drugs. So this has been a fairly common technique used for years, kind of flown under the radar until COVID came up.
It sounds like a really dirty job. What are the steps? How do you do what you do?
Yeah, so we don't actually go down into the sewer. Instead, most of the time we just extend a bottle down on a long pole and we take a sample of the sewage and then we bring it up, put a cap on it and send it back to the lab.
Gordon, how does this testing serve as a predictor for COVID in the community?
One of the really important pieces of this is that we can pick up in the sewer system COVID well before it appears in the general population as an outbreak. And some of the earlier studies suggested about 3 to 5 days. And the important other piece is that this way we can get a read of the levels in the whole population rather than relying just on the testing of people. And it's much less expensive.
Now there's a robot involved. How does that change the process?
That's right. So instead of dipping a bottle down into the sewer, we actually have what's called an autosampler, which is a pump that takes a sample of the sewage about every 15 or 20 minutes. And this allows us to collect a sample that's over a longer period of time, which gives us a much smoother signal.
How does it feel to know that these results that you're collecting can help West Virginia fight against COVID?
It's a great feeling, of course. We just want to do everything that we can to help mitigate the effects of this pandemic and hopefully be able to see the other side as soon as possible.
And I'm just curious, because I've seen conflicting reports, how long can COVID survive down in the sewer?
We don't actually think that you can catch COVID from sewage. There were some early studies that suggested perhaps you could, but very few follow-up studies have shown that it actually survives. So what we think we're detecting is actually remnants of the virus, just pieces of the viral particle that aren't infectious, but still have the RNA that we need to detect it.
Okay, well, Tim and Gordon, thank you both for taking the time to talk to us about the project.
Thank you. It's good to be here.